Okay, so this is a game called the numbers game, for obvious reasons. So the object of the game is the orange team are going to try and score in the orange goal, and the yellow team is going to try and score in the yellow goal. The way you score is you get past this imaginary white line between the white cones, and you can score from inside the zone by pushing the ball through the goal. Okay. In this part of the field, obviously you've got to play hockey, you've got to tackle, etc. to get the ball off the opposition. So the way it's going to work is I'll call out a number. When I call out your number, this team here, you need to run in that direction behind your teammates through the opposition's goal. Come up, take this ball, evade your other player on the other team, and score on that goal. You guys have to run in that direction, around behind your teammates, through that goal, take the hockey ball, and score on that goal. Easy? Let's start off with number 3.
Uh-oh.
You can't score unless you come into the zone. Number 4. Through the goal. She's standing in the goal. You don't want to do that. If the ball comes out towards the sideline, then you just pump the ball back in, you people standing on the side. Just be ready. Okay, let's go number 5. No, you don't need the ball.
Through the goal, who's not paying attention?
Oh, no, you've got to stay on your cone. You've got to stay on your cone, make it even. Big kick, though. Yeah. Number 6. Three again. Number 1.
Go Anne-Marie! Take on JB!
Number 9. Now we're working as a team. First person that comes on the hockey ball onto the hockey field, I want them to secure the hockey ball like we were just doing. There's no use leaving that and going, oh, you get the ball and I'll run past, because somebody else will take it. So first person secures the ball. The second person is going to take up a slightly defensive position, just so if the ball does get turned over, that it's not a goal doesn't get scored. Okay, once we actually get into the game, if you want to go forward to receive a pass and you think he's got it under control, then that's fine. But initially think about having a slightly defensive position. So I want to be about 2 or 3 metres away from where the ball is. Obviously if my player carries the ball up to there, I don't want to stay here because I'm completely disconnected from the play. So as the ball moves forward, that other player can move in and be available for a pass or to be available to stop the opposition. Okay, so we're going to go with number 5 and 6. Oh, don't forget to go through the goal. Oh, that's a great pass. Gets away with it. Good. Surprise. Let's go 7 and 4. Still across. Okay, we'll hold it. 3 and 8. Yeah. Yeah, we went with you. Keep it in. 2 and 9. going to call out 3 numbers. So first person secures the ball. This time, because you know there's a third person coming, then the second person can actually run past and take up an attacking position, and the third person comes into that defensive role. Okay? So think about the drills that we did here about making sure we had a square and a straight path for the ball carrier. Okay, making sure that we've got something. When I say be behind, if we've got the ball, this is still behind if I'm going that way. So be there available for a pass even if you are the back person, but always be a little bit closer to the goal. Because if it comes down to a sprint, you want at least a metre on your opposition. 1, 2 and 3. I'm defensive.
Oh, sorry.
Get the ball if it comes to the sideline as well. Get kicking in next way. One little concept in here. We had all of our players in a bunch about this big. If we get the hockey ball, so if I get the hockey ball and somebody just passed it to me from over there, I'm going to run over here and have a look and take somebody out, drag them out, and then maybe drop a pass that Anne-Marie can run onto. So think about whether there's spaces on the hockey field. This is really good because I use this game all the time because if I want to focus on tackling, I do the first one-on-one. If I want to focus on a little bit of passing, I do the second one. If I want to have a look at tactics, I do it for this one. There's only 3 on the field, so it's really easy to identify who's making the mistake. I just stop the game and go, can anyone tell me what's happening right here at the moment? Oh, you're all bunched to one side. So who should be doing what? Oh, that should be out there on the right. Okay, that's what I do here. Start the game. Rather than the whole hockey game, you know your number's going to come up really quickly. So while you're standing around, we've actually got a game with 11 on 11 here, and I can control that. So as a teacher, that's got to be a fantastic option. Okay, 4, 5 and 6. Oh. Must be 7, 8, 9. Yep.